Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix sound or audio issues in Off the Grid game. Here follow the steps to fix sound problem in Off the Grid game. On your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Click on System, Sound, Advanced, More Sound Settings. Click on your default device, example speakers, and select Properties. Go to Spatial tab, click the drop down box and select Off. Then click on Apply and then OK. If Spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then go to Enhancement tabs, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Off the Grid game and check. If you are using Bluetooth, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll down to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Go to Services tab, uncheck Hands-free Telephony, Remote Control and Remotely Controllable Device. Then click Apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Third solution is to make sure sound level in game is set to 100%. Look for audio settings within the Off the Grid game menu and ensure that the volume and the other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Fourth solution is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals, so disconnect any peripherals devices such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. that are not necessary. The fifth solution is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and test it for improvement. Sixth solution is to update audio driver. Open Device Manager and click on Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right click on your audio device and click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers and wait for the process to be completed. Seventh solution is to update DirectX. In some cases, reinstalling DirectX has resolved some sound issues. You can find the instruction on installing DirectX on Microsoft website. Link is given in the video description. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel.